Hello friends, I am Sheetal and welcome back to TargetStudy YouTube channel. Increasing use of contaminated natural resources like water and air and growing trend of eating unhygienic and fast foods, patients with gastrointestinal organ problems are increasing at an alarming rate, not only in India but also in developed and third world countries, thereby increasing the demand for specialists in gastroenterology. And this increasing demand compelled us to make a video for the prospective gastroenterologist so that they could have some insight of this profession. In this video, I will try my best to give some basic information that could help you prepare yourself for becoming a gastroenterologist. After watching this video till the very end, you will be much aware of facts like who a gastroenterologist is, what are the eligibility conditions for becoming a gastroenterologist, what are the basic traits or skills required to become a successful gastroenterologist, how to become a gastroenterologist, some of the top medical institutes from where you can complete your qualification, what are the career options and job profiles after becoming a gastroenterologist, what are the pay packages or salary of a gastroenterologist, and much more. So guys, let us start with a very basic question, that is, who exactly a gastroenterologist is. Gastroenterologist, popularly known as GI doctors, is a medical practitioner who specializes in the diagnosis and treatment of a patient affected by problems related to gastrointestinal organs, also known as digestive system, like small intestine, gallbladder, colon, bile duct, pancreas, stomach, and other related parts. Treating problems of the liver is also an integral part of a gastroenterologist's job description. A gastroenterologist is also responsible for diagnosing and treating functional dyspepsia and irritable bowel syndromes, besides cancer of gullet and pancreas. These professionals uses various techniques like biopsy and endoscopy to examine the esophagus, stomach, small and large intestine, etc. for diagnosing any possible ulcer, cancer, or inflammation and its possible medicinal cure. As you are now aware of the professional known as gastroenterologist, you must be eager to know about the eligibility conditions required to become one. As far as educational qualifications are concerned, you must have passed 12th class with physics, chemistry, and biology as main subject, followed by an MBBS degree from a recognized medical institute, which is further followed by 2 years MD course and 3 years DM gastroenterology course. Along with these basic eligibility conditions, you must have certain set of required skills to be a successful gastroenterologist. As gastrointestinal organ diseases are quite tough to diagnose and spread very fast. Thus, besides being well qualified and having thorough knowledge of all the latest prevailing causes and treatment of diseases relating to these organs, the aspiring gastroenterologist should have a broad knowledge of the medical discipline, have critical analytical skills, excellent communication skills and ability to work for long hours, along with the desire to help patients overcome their medical problems. With these skills and desire to excel, you can have good opportunities in the medical field. If you think that you have all these traits, then you must be eager to know the process to become a gastroenterologist. As a first step towards your dream profession, you have to clear your 12th class with physics, chemistry, biology as main subject, which is the basic requirement for entering in the field of medicine. Once you have completed your 12th class, the next step that you have to take is to get admission in MBBS course of a reputed medical college. As there are limited seats for unlimited medical aspirants, you have to compete with others and clear NEET UG entrance exam. A good rank in the exam could help you get admission in some of the best medical colleges of India, like All Indian Institute of Medical Sciences, situated in Delhi, and some other places, Government Medical Colleges Chandigarh and Armed Forces Medical College Pune, to name a few. Once you are done with your 5.5-year MBBS course, along with the necessary internship, you are supposed to go for 2-year MD Medicine or Gastroenterology or MS in Gastroenterology. Again, there are few seats in PG medical colleges and number of aspirants are in abundance. Here again, you have to clear and get good rank in PG medical entrance exam like NEET PG to get admission in reputed PG medical colleges like AIIMS and PGI, etc. After completion of the 2 years of MD course, the aspiring gastroenterologists have to get admission in DM or DNB gastroenterology. Admission to this doctorate level course is provided both on the basis of performance in the qualifying exam as well as on the basis of performance in the entrance test, varying from institution to institution. You can also go for specialized course on MCH in Gastroenterology after your DM degree. So, it will take you 5.5 years of MBBS, 2 years of MD and 3 years of DM, that is, at least 11 years of concerted study to become a specialized gastroenterologist. And mind you, this much of hard work is really worth it. Here I would like to answer the most important question, that is, what are the career prospects and job opportunities after becoming gastroenterologist? It is unfortunate but a harsh reality that contaminated water and food items, habit of eating junk and stale food, and sedentary lifestyle of both urban and rural population has increased the medical problem related to gastrointestinal organs among the masses, thereby creating a whole lot of opportunities as a profession for those who have done their specialization in gastroenterology. Thus, qualified gastroenterologists not only get good opportunities in government healthcare centers, hospitals, and research facilities like PGI, but also get employment in private and corporate hospitals like Max and Fortis, to name a few. Those who are interested in medical education can become educationists in various private and government medical colleges. Others with great entrepreneurial skills can go for their own private practice or open their own healthcare centers. So we can say that there are ample of career opportunities for those who have specialized in the field of gastroenterology. Now the most eagerly asked question, and that question is, what are the expected pay packages or salary for a gastroenterologist? Gastroenterologist is easily one of the highest paying professions in the field of medicine. The pay packages and salary of the professional in the private sector largely depends upon the expertise and reputation of individual in the field. However, as a fresher, one can expect anything between Rs 6 lakhs to 8 lakhs per annum working in a reputed corporate hospital. This pay package can go as high as Rs 12 lakh to Rs 20 lakh per annum with some experience and expertise. The salaries of professionals working in the government hospitals or medical colleges varies according to the position one is working in and the prevailing pay scales in the particular state. In reputed government medical colleges like GMCH, PGI or AIIMS, the salary of qualified gastroenterologist can be as high as Rs 1.50 lakh per month. And there is no upper limit of income for those who have opted for private practice and have established themselves in the field. Hopefully, the information given here will be helpful for candidates who are interested in becoming a gastroenterologist. If you still have any more questions, you can let us know in the comment section. We'll do our best to provide the right information to you shortly. Hope you like this video. If it is really so, please hit the like button. For daily notification, please subscribe TargetStudy YouTube channel. We'll be back with some more videos. Till then, remain well and safe. Good luck.